Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever watched a perfect morning routine video? Woke up at 5 a.m. the next day, failed by day 3, and then thought, yeah, that's why I fail. Same. I used to think my problem was discipline, or motivation, or laziness. Turns out, my morning routine was lying to me. Today, I'm breaking the biggest morning routine myths that quietly ruin school life, and showing you what actually works for students like us. If I wake up early, I'll become productive. No, waking up early doesn't make you successful. Waking up prepared does. Let's be honest. If you sleep at 1:30 a.m. scrolling reels and wake up at 5 a.m., you're not disciplined. You're just tired. I did this. Felt proud for one day. Felt dead for the next 5. What actually works? Sleep first. Minimum 7 hours. Even 6.5 is better than fake discipline. Cliffhanger moment. Because this next myth is the reason your mornings feel rushed. Another lie we're sold. Successful people do everything in the morning. Workout, cold shower, reading, journaling, planning life. Bro, we have school. You don't need a CEO routine, you need a student routine. When mornings are overloaded, 2 things happen. You rush, you quit. What actually works? Mornings are for activation, not transformation. Just 3 things. Wake up, wake your brain, get out. That's it. And now, the most dangerous myth nobody talks about. I'll just check messages. Famous last words. 1 notification becomes 10. 10 becomes 20 minutes. And suddenly, your brain is tired before school even starts. Here's the scary part. When you start your day reacting, you stay reactive all day. Teachers feel louder, work feels heavier, focus disappears. What actually works? No phone for the first 20 to 30 minutes. If that sounds impossible, that's exactly why you need it. Put your phone far, use a basic alarm, win the first 30 minutes. Because how you start the day sets your mental speed. Let's clear this up. You won't feel motivated in the morning, especially on school days, especially in winter, especially on Mondays. Waiting to feel motivated is a trap. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. What actually works? The 2-minute rule. Open your book for 2 minutes. Revise 1 formula. Read 1 page. Your brain says, oh, we're doing this? And motivation follows. Tiny action, big shift. But wait, there's one mistake that ruins everything, even if you do all this. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Your morning routine starts the night before. If your bag isn't ready, uniform not decided, homework half done, your morning will be chaos. No matter how positive you are. What actually works? A 10-minute night reset. Before sleeping, pack your bag, choose clothes. Write top 3 tasks for tomorrow. That's it. This removes decision stress in the morning. And stress is what makes you tired, not work. Now let me show you a realistic student morning routine that actually works. Here's a simple one. No aesthetics. No 5 a.m. lies. Step 1. Wake up, same time daily, even weekends. Your body loves rhythm. Step 2. Water plus light movement, 5 minutes. Stretch, walk, open a window. Step 3. No phone, 20 minutes. Brush, get ready. Let your brain wake naturally. Step 4. 1 small academic win, 10 to 15 minutes. Revise yesterday's topic. Read notes. Solve 3 questions. This builds identity. I'm someone who shows up. Step 5. Leave calm, not rushed. That calm, it stays with you all day. That's the secret. So remember this. You don't need a perfect morning. You need a repeatable one. Stop copying routines made for people with no school. Build one that respects your energy. Tonight, don't change your whole life. Just do this. Sleep earlier. Pack your bag. Decide tomorrow's first task. That's how real growth starts. If this hit you, try it tomorrow morning. And don't do it alone. Let's level up together.